The picking process carried out in the warehouse is done through the use of this cell phone. The current disadvantage of this process is that the person is constantly walking around the warehouse, losing time moving from one side to another, from one aisle to another. This obviously adds time and delays the order picking.
We have been manufacturing storage solutions here in Santander for 40 years, and here, particularly with Offimedicas, in addition to supplying them with shelving, we also saw an opportunity to automate the picking area. There are challenges such as delivering exactly what the customer requires.
We've realized that one way to increase efficiency is by reducing picking travel times. With Tropico, we've found a solution that streamlines the process and increases the number of lines that can be picked per day.
Here in Colombia, the number of solutions that have been implemented at this time does not exceed 80 or 90. We have a strategic partnership with Modula, an Italian company that is a global leader in these solutions. This machine has 90 trays. It receives the order, starts operating, and locates tray X. Then it places it in front of the operator. The operator simply follows the green laser point, which indicates the product's location. Then you have the LED bar that also displays the product name and the quantities to be retrieved from the machine. The Copilot also displays the tray layout, cart, how they are organized in compartments, each marked in a different color to indicate its location. Once the operator picks the items from the unit, it places them in this put-to-light system, which can handle up to 24 orders. It turns out that out of the 24 customers that are listed, 10 ask for same item, but all 10 ask for different quantities. So the operator picks 10 for the first order, 15 for the second order, and so on. As they go along, they learn to follow the lights, which guide them precisely. This makes it incredibly reliable for the operator when dispatching those quantities and references. Their goal is 0 errors, and this machine precisely achieves that through its system. Moreover, this machine optimizes the cubic space, utilizing space from the floor to nearly the maximum height of the warehouse.
It's much more cost-effective to store products up to a height of 11.5 meters. There is no unused space. The location of the trays in the unit is adjusted each time based on the height of the products stored in the tray.
All companies should strive to reduce their carbon footprint. When the system moves a tray weighing 500 kilograms, it applies the motor force for those 500 kilograms. Then when it handles a tray weighing 200 kilograms, it applies only the force required for those 200 kilograms. Thanks to its artificial intelligence, it places the most frequently accessed products on the first trays, while less frequently accessed items are moved to higher levels. This is really environmentally friendly. The installation process takes approximately 2 months, and it is indeed very rapid.
The company has been growing, and solutions like these enable us to provide our customers with the timely responses they need.
That is our passion, to provide the customer with tailor-made solutions.